This is HP DeskJet 3755. This is a multifunctional printer. You can copy, scan, and print from this printer. The scanner for this printer is on top here. What I want to do is to show you how to install the ink cartridges. This printer is using ink 65. Connect the cable, push the cable inside. Plug it onto the power. And the light is highlighting here. So you switch this printer on and off from this button. And you can see this is the LCD screen. Inside the LCD screen, a warning light is highlighting here. The ink cartridges are empty. So we need to install the ink. This is the reason why the light here is flashing. You can see the light that is flashing here. The ink cartridges are empty. Now, to install the ink, open up this chamber here. And the ink cartridges holder will position itself to the center where it's supposed to be. 65 extra large and 65 black. So these are the ink cartridges this printer is using. Now to install the ink, just need to open up. This is 65 triple colors. So pull off this, then take the ink. Once you go into the colors go to the left and the black goes to the right. So go in, then push it upwards. And it's in. Now take the black color. This is the black 65XL. Pull off, then go in, push it upwards. So once you go in, the next thing you need to do, push it upwards, and it's in. Just make sure that it's not falling off, then gently close the door. And here we go. So if you look here, the light that was flashing here is off. So this is how to install the ink cartridges. If you want to remove the ink cartridges as well, just open up this chamber again. Then you wait for the ink to position itself. To remove the ink, push this down, push down to remove it.